All right, they're asking for the value of x and justify each step. So you see in this first line, they say that AB plus BC equals AC. Well, that's the segment addition postulate, right? We're saying that if you take two smaller segments that are on the same line and they share an endpoint, then the first segment plus the second segment equals the entire length from that endpoint to that endpoint. So it's the segment addition postulate, right? Now, they tell us that AB equals, the measure of AB is 2x, and we see that they've taken AB and they've replaced it with 2x. We know that BC is 6x plus 8, so they've taken BC and replaced it with 6x plus 8, and they told us up here that AC equals 32, so we replaced AC with 32. And so that's substitution. They substituted the value in uh, for the segment measurements. Okay. Now here, to go from here to here, we have to combine these like terms. Okay. 2x plus 6x is 8x, combining like terms. You will also see this, the answer key has it just as simplify. This is just a more specific way of saying simplify. We're simplifying specifically how, okay? We're simplifying by combining like terms, okay? So they're equivalent. And if you wrote simplify, that would be fine. If you wrote combining like terms, that would also be fine. Now, how do you get from here to here? They took off 8 from each side to get rid of that. And when you take away or subtract, that's the subtraction property of equality. And finally, going from here to here, they divided both sides by 8. And of course, then that's the division property, division property of equality. And there we are.